Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu Rana. I recently completed a 45 days training program with eVision TechnoSub. I would like to share my experience and feedback about the training. The training was really valuable learning experience for me. During this session for 45 days, I gained my practical knowledge of the window administration, Active Directory, ITL, CCNA, networking, CompTIA, and virtualization. The training was very practical and industry oriented, and which the help me understand how the IT support infrastructure work in real world environment. One of the most benefit parts of the training was hands-on practical session, mock interviews, and soft skill training. This session helped me improve my communication skills, build confidence, and prepare myself professional interview. The trainer was very supported and knowledgeable, and that they always guide me whenever the any doubts and explain and the concept a simple and practical way, which made the understand the implement. I would like to express my sincere guidance to Ganesh Murthy sir, Sati ma'am, Prasenjit Mujumdar sir, Priya ma'am, and Prince sir, and entire the Vision Technosub team that they are continuously guidance, support, and motivate throughout my learning journey. And I am really happy to share that with my help me training and placement support. I have now start my professor journey with Efoforce Limited as a desktop support engineer. I would like definitely recommended TechnoServe at anyone who wants to build a career in IT industry. Thank you Vision TechnoServe for me helping the start my IT career and beginning on important part of my journey. Thank you Vision.